All right, guys, I'm ready. Here we go. All right, now I need some help, so you guys have to have your calculators. All right, number 33. It says, what percent of the campers voted for horseback riding? So horseback is what? 12 out of, now you have to tell me how many is total though.
43.
So how many?
43.
43 altogether. And then divide that on your calculator and tell me what it is.
0.279. Oh, 27906.
Good. So then what percentage is that? Yeah, 27.9%. All right, that was 33. All right, here we go. Number 34. It says a washing machine that regularly sells for $329 on sale for $279. What is the discount? What's that?
50 over 329.
How much?
50 over 329.
Yes, because remember, whenever you want to find a percent, it's the change divided by the original. All right, so in this case, the change is $50, right? And you're dividing it by the original price, which is $329. And tell me what that is as a decimal.
0.15175.
Wow, thank you. Come on, just keep it up now, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell you. People playing games, if you're not good, I don't want you playing games. All right? So A is correct. Thank you. That was good. All right, let's keep going. All right, now it says Naomi bought these items shown. She saved 20% on each item by using a store coupon. What was the total amount that she saved? So are we looking for the discount price, or are we just looking for the discount? What are we looking for?
The total amount.
Yeah, we definitely need the total amount. So everybody add that up, please. How much was it?
120.
I got $120. So normally you would spend 120, but you have a coupon that says 20% off. Do you want the sale price or do you want the discount?
The discount.
You want the discount. So all I have to do is take 120 and multiply by 0.20, which should have been $24. So that's how much money you save. All right? That's how much money you save. Is everybody good on that? All right. Next.
Wait.
What?
So you multiplied it by?
Yeah. 120. Take your calculator. Make sure.
Dividing is when you put the fraction. So we
Yes.
divide it when it's the change.
Dividing is when you want a percentage. All right. You do divide when you want a percentage. Okay. Here we go. At the same. Oh, wait a minute. This is a proportion. I don't care about this one. 36, we don't have to do. All right. Yes. Good. All right, 36 is from the last chapter. I don't know why I accidentally clicked on that. Okay, 37. Of the 780 students participating in the chess tournament, 45% were female. So now they're asking about males. So this is important, guys. What percent were males if 45% were female? 55%. 55% were males. That's right. 100 minus 45 is 55. Now you're just doing 780 because that's the total multiplied by 0.55. And tell me what that is. How much? 429. Thank you. So we have 429 males.
You could just press X.
No, oh, I see what you're telling me to do. That's just mine. Okay. So now we got to practice 38. 1.25 equals X times 112. And so now we just divide by 112. And so somebody tell me.
0.01.
Wait, stop. Okay.
So if you do the decimal.
0.01 what?
0.
What's the number on your calculator?
.0111607.
Okay, good. So now if we move it 2 places, we would say that's like 1.1%.
Yeah.
All right, 1.1%. Okay, write a decimal for 9/20ths. What is that?
It's just 1.40.
Divide, use your calculator, come on.
Do you
How
want
did he get in? Just stop. That's why I don't like hitting it, because sometimes I'm afraid I'm going to hit the wrong button. You know what I mean? No, it's okay. It's not your fault. I'm just telling you why. It's annoying that it's up there. All right, so what's 9 divided by 20, somebody? 0.45, right? What? You're distracted by this. In life, you have to learn to just ignore things. You have to ignore. All right, I'm trying to make you smarter. I don't care what's on the screen. All right, here we go. The human body is made up of 9.3% hydrogen. All right, so how many pounds of hydrogen is in our body? What do I do? Well, but this is just telling you literally 140 is the total, right?
Yeah.
So it's just literally 140 times 0.093.
Oh, okay.
That's the amount of hydrogen. So what's that?
That is 13.0.
And we would say pounds
Yeah.
of hydrogen. All right, now 41. These are the ones that kids, what?
How do you know when like you move the decimal or not? Is that only when you move it? Like,
If there's a percentage.
Oh.
Percentage is when you move the decimal.
I don't think.
All right. So 9.3% divided by 100. That's why you're moving it 2 places. All right. So 90 is 30% of what number? So 90 equals 0.3x. So what does x equal? Yep, I'm asking. 300, right? Now we want what? 200% of this number. 200% just means what? Times 2. 2 times that number. 2 times 300 is what? 600. That is correct. Okay.
Wait, so Mr. Stroud,
Yes.
so when you say 30, so it means 30 is equal to, and then you always do 0.0, and then so you just like write it how it is.
Exactly correct. That's what I'm trying to show. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Is means equal, right? All right.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
How did you get x equals 300?
Did you do 90 divided by 0.3?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here we go. Number 42. All right, I like this a lot. The bar graph shows the number of votes each candidate received. How many students voted in the election? Somebody count that up or add that up real quick. How much was it? How much?
120.
Good, thank you, 120. All right, so you just added, this was like 35-ish, this was like 45-ish, and that was 40, is that what you said? Somewhere around there. Okay, which candidate received the most votes? We would say Chris, all right? And then what percent? So what percent did Chris get? I mean, how many votes? 45 out of 120, right? Say it. Is that 0.375? 0.375 is equal to 37.5%.
Wait, so how do you know if you can make it? Oh, because, oh, okay. No.
You sure? All right. A personal trainer charged $82.99 to train a client. The client wants to tip the trainer about 15%. So most of the time, we wouldn't say $82.99. We could round that to what? Yeah, just do 83 if you want. And then when you multiply that by what? 0.15, right? So most of the time we don't say $12.45, we just say what? $13 or something like that, right? But if you said $12.45, I don't really care. Right, especially since we're using a calculator. What? Yeah. Well, I mean, 82.99 and 83 is pretty much exact, right? All right. Here we go. Now, again, this one's important. 19.21 equals, how do I do 113%? How do I do 113? 1.13 times x. And so now, of course, we just divide. And so somebody tell me. What is it? Exactly? Wow, 17. Good job. Thank you. Okay, so now here is a tricky one again. So you go to the store and you see a used cleaner for $130. That's a 75% reduction. What was the original cost then? How much? No. If it was a 75% reduction, what percent did you pay for it?
Oh, reduction.
No, I'm asking you a question.
3.5.
How much?
Is that right? Or would it be 3.5?
But you didn't answer my question. Right, you only paid 25% for it.
Right.
If you got something 75% off, it means you only had to pay 25%, right?
Oh, okay, I understand. Yeah, because that's equal to 100. Okay, I understand that.
So then it's 25% of the original price is $130. Okay? Yes, and then you would just divide by 0.25. So I think x is equal to what? 520? Is that right?
Yeah.
So $520. What?
So that one is like, it just says like, I'm just like, could you, like, it doesn't, like, goods, it doesn't matter, like, which way you write the equation.
I don't think so.
So, like, if you did, like, the 130 equals the 0.25x, they
Yeah.
want to change it?
No. 130 equals 0.25x.
How do you know if you need a divider or multiply?
Well, because you're undoing this multiplication, remember, kiddo? That's 20.25 times x.
But if you're trying to find what the original price of it is, you divide.
Yes.
And if you're trying to find a new price, you multiply.
Yeah, but I would prefer, yeah, that's pretty much. But you know what I mean? I just don't teach math that way because I think you should understand that. You know what I mean? What?
If 140 is 45%, why don't we just multiply them?
I did. That's how I knew it was 520
We did 130
times in my head. Right, 130 times.
I have a question.
Okay,
How do you know when to divide?
well, in your equation, it was 0.25x equals 30, right? I'm sorry, 130. It was 130. You agree with that, Evan, or not?
I don't know, because how do you know to set up that equation?
Well, because you're trying to find the original price. You're taking 25% of the original price. That's $130. That's what that means.
Oh,
25% of the original price is $130.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Knock out 46. A local meteorologist estimated 4.5 inches of rainfall. The actual rainfall was what? 6.8. So the error, remember the error is always the difference divided by the actual. So I need everybody to do 6.8 minus 4.5 and divided by 6.8. So that's brilliant. 2.3 divided by 6.8. So it's about 33%. You agree with that, everybody? Misha, you okay with that? The change divided by the actual. All right, the price of a scanner is marked down from 175 to 105. So again, we're finding a percentage, right? So that means we're probably going to divide. So what's the change? $70. What was the original price? That's how easy that is. What does it say? Exactly 0.4? Which is what percentage? 40%. Thank you, kiddo. 40%. All right, here we go. What time's the bell ring?
27.
Okay, yeah, we got time. So Erin bought a $205 smartphone, but her total was $217. So how much tax did she pay? Not the percentage, how much tax? Tell me. $12.30. Now I'm trying to find a percentage, right? So you divide it by what number though? 205, that is correct. I'm proud of you if you know that. All right, divide that out for me. 0.06, which is what percent? 6%. I'm good with that. All right. The price of Nicole's manicure is $48 plus 7.5%. She plans on tipping 12%. Find the approximate cost, including tax and tip. All right. So what's the total with the tax? So it'd be $48 times 1.075. All right. And what's 48 times 1.075? 51.6. Come on now, please, everybody do this now. $51.60. That's the total with the tax. Now we need tip. So now you're going to multiply 5160 times 1.12, right? 5160 times 1.12. And tell me what that is. 57.79. $57.79 is the total with what?
Tax.
Plus tax, plus tip. That's the whole bill. All right? Yes.
If you drop 10% of something, like the tax or whatever is divided, they're not really multiplied.
Yeah, multiple.
And then for
If you're trying to find a percentage, you divide. All right, that's the main thing, but I really don't teach that way.
but if you already know what the percentage.
You multiply, that's right. Very good. All right, so Jackson's buying a gold chain, originally $795, but it's advertised 65% off. So how much does he have to pay? What would I have to do? 795 times what? No. Times what? No. 65% off. If you get 65% off,
35.
yes, you have to pay only 35%. So somebody tell me what 795 times 0.35 is. Because 65% off, right? If you get something 65% off, 100 minus 65 is,
Oh.
right? So tell me again, please.
270.
And 25 cents?
Yep.
All right, so that would be the discount price. Okay, that's how much you have to pay. But now we have to pay 8.5% tax. We do 278.25, multiply that by 1.085. Tell me what that is. Rounded to the nearest penny, don't forget.
$301.95.
All right, 301.90. Okay, guys? What time is the bell ring again? No, I can't. 2 minutes. All right, we got one more. Wayne buys an HD television set for $466. So it's marked down 33 1/3%. All right, so he got it for $466. Right, so what is 33 1/3%? What fraction? 1/3.
Oh, 1/3.
So that means he got 1/3 off. So if he got 1/3 off, then what fraction did he have to pay? Someone, come on. 2/3, yay. So we did 2/3 of the original amount is equal to $466. Now, to solve the fraction, remember you multiply by the reciprocal, or you can just say 466 divided by 2/3. But I would hope you would know that, because if you know that, then it's 699 if I'm not
Maybe
mistaken.
something like that on the test.
I don't know. Just,
Is it all word probably?
I don't know. I haven't made it up yet. I usually make it up the day before.
That we're doing, that we had allowed me to today on Monday.
Yeah. What?
Divided by 2/3.
Yes, you can do 466 divided by 2/3, or you can do 466 times 3/2. Those are your options there.
What would be that?
699, right? Did anybody else get 699?
Yeah, I know.
How do you even do this? I'm confused.
With what?
Well, where'd you get the 3/2 and 2/3?
Well, if you 33 1/3 is 1/3 off, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you get 1/3 off, that means you have to pay what?
2/3.
Right. So 2/3 of the original price is 466. So you do the reciprocal, 3/2.
Oh.
You with me on this? Okay. All right, that's it, guys.
Mr. Chef,
What?
now that they have yelling for all, like all.
I'm gonna switch it. I gotta switch it, obviously. All right.
I think that person that just recently joined, I think
Can I
that
go
I think his user was.
You guys have a good day, rest of the day. Sorry about
You
that.
too.
It's okay. It's okay. I get it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Chef, can I go to the office?